What's up, boys? Looks like I'm gonna be starting this video today. Bran was up watching South Park with me last night and passed out on my couch. Woke up this morning and he was still there. So, just got back. I'm gonna see if he's still there. Here's one I thought you might like to see, boys. Check Brandon's story, and I guess, that was what he was doing at 6 a.m. Yeah, guy's addicted to NFTs lately. So he bought these nuts. Interesting purchase. Alright, let's see if he's awake. Oh, there you go.
Dude, I freaked out. I looked in the room. I'm like, hey, Ian's not here, bro. I thought you forgot.
Yeah, I see you've been making yourself comfortable.
Yeah, a little bit. Good to throw it. No, I like these nuts. I heard you talking to him about it. Boys, I'm all into NFTs right now. I made some pretty sloppy decisions, some pretty good ones. I'm pretty stoked about these nuts.
So you made sloppy but good decisions with these nuts?
I think the nuts were a good decision. I gotta get one more to make a bag, you know what I mean? A sack if you want.
Yeah, no, you gotta have the full sack.
Anyway, what's up, boys? Thank you for starting this, bro. I thought I heard you upstairs. Boys, crazy video. Something we haven't done in a long time. Now let me stand up for a second. Oh, God. I think that's my first time. Oh, no, I got up to go look for you. Oof.
Glad to see you've been up more than once this morning.
I might have to stretch this out. You might want to turn it off. Ooh, locking. Knees are locking. Alright, boys, we're doing a video today, like I said, that we haven't done in a long time. If you guys know the channel, I used to do a lot of sneakers and stuff like that. We do a lot of jewelry, and to be honest, it's like starting to bore me. We could still do jewelry, but I think like sneakers would be so sick. My favorite thing in the world is to customize things. So we got the newest and best sneakers to absolutely customize. I'm sorry, dude. My back is actually killing. That couch sucks. I mean,
that's your couch, man.
I know, that's why it's down here. I couldn't handle it. Ooh. Alright. Anyway, boys, we're doing a crazy sneaker custom today. Whether you like Yeezys, which is Kanye West's shoe, I hope you freaking know that, or not, you're still gonna enjoy this. Let's go out and get spray paint. We're spray painting them, but hydro dip style. Thumbs up, comment down. Stay in. They listen to you more.
Yeah, thumbs up, comment down below. And why is my milk out on the counter?
Nah, he was making coffee. I thought, oh yeah, I should put it back in the fridge.
It probably.
Sorry, my bad, bro. It's empty. Oh, I used it all up. Sorry.
That was a lot. How much milk do you put in your coffee?
I had a big glass first, and I'm like, I may as well make coffee. My knee's been hurting. I didn't feel like going upstairs.
Nothing like milk, coffee, and chips. The breakfast of champions.
Yeah, I might have stolen an order or two. I'm not gonna tell you yes or no yet.
Oh yeah, all the food groups.
Beautiful, humble abode you got down here, Ian. Oh, almost hit that thing. I'm still waking up, boys. All right, boys. Let's get hydro dipping. Let's do a sneaker custom. We don't do them ever anymore. Are you stoked, bro?
Yeah, this is old school name brand shit.
Really? Yeah. Okay, let's go, man. Thumbs up, comment down below, boys. Ian, tell them we already did it. Okay, let's go. Giveaway too, boys. I'm giving away a free gold chain. I don't have it right now. It's a rope chain. Another one. We're giving away another if you guys hit 700 thumbs up within the day. Comment and thumbs up. Comment and thumbs up, please. All right, let's go.
Oh boy, this one's gonna be a mess.
Yeah, I had a lot of coffee too. You got some good stuff, bro.
Well, I mean, it isn't instant coffee made with tap water.
That's factual.
Going into slides, eh?
Yes, sir.
Always going with the slides.
Slides and sweats, bro. You got your shoes?
Yeah. Oh, are these the shoes, by the way?
Yeah.
They're kind of.
Oh yeah.
And they're kind of cool.
Yeah, those are the shoes. Yeah, they're.
I mean, they're
the freaking
weird as hell, but.
Yeezy foam runners, I think they're called. Boys, they're white. We're gonna make them a different color, make them real cool. Probably sell them for a little bit more money than they're worth. Let's go. You want to drive? I gotta vlog while we drive.
Okay.
I cannot vlog and drive anymore. I wish I had that footage. Boys, massive car accident. Ran a red, smoked someone while vlogging. Awful. Yeah, I just can't find the footage. I can't remember where it was.
Did the police confiscate it?
I didn't tell them my camera was on. Yikes, that's snitching on yourself, Brad. Okay, let's go, bro. And we're off, boys. Ian's just trying to figure out the car. What are you doing? You got it? Yeah, boys, we do not get to do this often, man. Since the COVID blank, we haven't been able to do any of this cool type of vlog in this lighting. I forgot that this is awful. In the car, bro, so this is so fun. We did something a few months back, or 2 months back. Do you remember?
Yeah, I think we did one.
Yeah, we did that. That never actually got uploaded onto YouTube because I got in massive trouble from the mall that I was already banned at. I put up a little teaser pic for you guys. Oh my god! What? Oh, sorry. Oh, it was false alarm.
False alarm? What are you doing?
Can you not do that to my brakes, bro, please? Anyway.
Can you not do that to my brain?
Anyway, yeah, so we did that video and I got in so much freaking trouble where I put up like a little sneak peek, a little teaser for you guys, and it immediately got reported. Not taken down, but I felt like I had to take it down because I can't have any more strikes on my channel or it's gonna get terminated again. So anyway, this is fun to do. We don't do this often. Ian probably thinks otherwise. Ian drives and I talk and scare the hell out of him. Ooh, hottie. Yeah, just kidding. It's
Yeah, I was
not
gonna
a
say,
good one
which
either.
one, are you looking at the man or the old lady?
well, what one do you prefer? No judgment.
Honestly, not really into either.
Oh, okay. Alright. Beg to differ on that one, Ian. I like that. I want the grandma.
Now I know that about you.
Boys, anyway, we're going to pick up spray paint because I don't plan anything and I thought this would be a fun time to vlog. Let's go. See you there. Whoosh!
And Brand's back to driving.
Freaked me out a little bit, bro.
What, you mean when I slammed on the brakes when you screamed?
No, that was not my fault, by the way. No, we also almost got in an accident. Well, we didn't, but I foresaw that we might get in an accident in the future, and I'm just not having that happen.
Oh, is that why you insisted we pull over in some guy's driveway so you could take over driving?
Demanded, but yes. You tried, bro. It's all good.
Oh, yeah, whatever. Less work for me.
Yeah, there you go. Hey there, I'm just looking for some spray paint, colorful spray paints. My buddy's bachelorette, I'm spray painting them like whatever colors.
Oh, okay.
Shouldn't hurt him too much, but we'll see. Hoping not to give him skin poisoning over it, but who knows? It's kind of a douche anyway. I don't even know why I'm invited. We'll do orange and green, please.
Wrap them up in saran wrap first, and then spray paint the saran wrap. Then you A, get to roll it off in saran wrap,
Okay.
and B, he's
That-
easy to clean after.
His fiance sucks. I thought she would have to clean him after, and that's why I was like,
Oh,
let's
she can unwrap him.
bag security, boys. Off to the Batmobile. Good to achieve a POV angle. Good job, Ian. Is that what POV angle is? No, it's just a bad angle. Good job, though. All right, boys. We got the ingredients. Our girl's cooking in the kitchen, so we got a debrief down here. Boys, over after, we got these right here. I don't know how much you could hear in that store over there, but this is the only colorful stuff they had. I actually might have some stuff in the other room. We also have Yeezy foam runners. Not real, by the way. If this turns out well, though, boys, I promise you that we'll buy a real pair and do it the same. If it turns out well. Kind of sick, right? You already looked at it a little bit.
Pretty crazy.
It's light. I mean, it's fake, so I don't know how it's supposed to be. My plug isn't moving anymore, bro. So I couldn't freaking. I tried to get the real pair.
Your plug?
Yeah, stay out there. This is a messy room.
How messy does a room have to be before you won't show it on camera?
Got a black spray paint and we got pink or purple. So now we make the choice, boys. This is gonna be the craziest thing. Hopefully, I feel like nobody's hydro dipped these yet. Didn't search it up yet though. How's the lighting?
Lighting's okay.
That is-
Hey, is that?
What is that?
I don't know, but the other one is some sort of spider spray.
Okay. Well,
So that's I mean, it might stain, but it's probably not what we want.
Orange and green. Outside we go, boys, because my girlfriend's home and I don't spray paint inside when she's home for obvious reasons.
I would have thought you wouldn't spray paint inside at all for obvious reasons.
That's not how I work yet. We're outside, boys. First things first, shake up the can like it shake up your brain when you roll down the hill drunk. I did that the other day.
You spent like a night in the hospital, didn't you?
I wasn't gonna say that, but yeah. My family doesn't know that, bro. Now grab the box. I had this here. My girlfriend doesn't like me hydro dipping. Ruins the lawn every time, boys. Fill it up with water. We're getting real wet in here, boys.
How did you lose control of that?
This might be, would you say, maybe the shittiest colorway we could have taken? Orange and green. I mean, it's almost October.
It's unconventional.
So you just do that. Get a nice shot of this, boys. Trained professionals here. Never worked out too well once, but 15th time's the charm. At least 7. That's starting to smell freaking awesome. Let's go.
I don't think you should enjoy that. Whoa, don't point that at your face.
So you just absolutely have to have a complete, I don't even know why I'm trying to tutorial you guys. We're just trying to see if this works. Because if it does, once again, we're using the real thing. You do that. Oh, I forgot the stir stick. Run and grab one.
Okay.
Random stick in.
Yeah.
The wiener works, it's fine.
Yeah, maybe not for this application. Oh, it's sick over here.
That's nice, huh?
I don't know if that would be the word I'd use.
It's not nice, kids. Jesus God. What's those cool masks that welders wear? We should have bought those. What a good excuse. I've always wanted a cool one of those.
Those protect your eyes, not your breathing.
Covers your mouth a little bit, right?
I mean, a regular mask would probably be better.
I actually think, okay, let's just go. Boys, weapon engaged. I forgot what I'm doing with my fingers. Oh, they're gonna get wrecked. I don't like that at all.
That came out a little goopy. It looks like a pumpkin covered in snot. It looks like Shrek.
No, hold up here. Let's focus on the good. Let's focus on the good.
It looks like Shrek used a pumpkin as a Kleenex.
I think it's bad to you, right? Guys, it looks like a pumpkin here with the pumpkin thing that comes off of it. The rest looks like garbage.
Oh.
My bad, brother. Sorry. Should have warned you first. Stupid. Do better at home, boys. You know what I mean? We're gonna do this again if we get enough likes on a real pair, but that just sucks. Stupid. I can't even use that for the thumbnail, bro. I'm gonna have to redo this at one point and use the other half of it. Guess what? I'm hungry.
Well, attempt number 15, failure number 15. The hydro dip. Will it ever work?
No. Open the door, please.
Oh yeah, Oh, Sarah's gonna love this.
Close the door.